machine behind me, but I wanted to dive into some of the details and share this cool solution that we created here to help a local company that was struggling with hiring and keeping up with the demand of their customers. So through some ingenuity and some hard work, we were able to solve that problem with a 5-station rotary table and some really cool technology.
A rotary table moves the part through each station. Vibratory bowls feed the parts into each station. Each station adds to the part until it's fully assembled.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. From design to build to install, Pioneer Industrial Systems can lead you through your challenges of adopting automation and robotics into your manufacturing. So let us know how we can help, and we'll see you soon.